Welcome to Sacred Stream Radio. Today we present an excerpt from a lecture by Tibetan monk Geshe Pema Dorjee. Geshe La will be returning to the Sacred Stream Center September 1st and 2nd, 2012.
The topic today is how to cultivate compassion. And then we really need to define compassion. This is one of the most important things today, the definition of compassion or meaning of compassion. And then importance of compassion, I think I thought of talking importance of compassion, taking from the text of Chandkirti, one of the Indian teacher who wrote the text of Madhyamika, which we study about 2 years, yes, Madhyamika, related to emptiness, and starting from the beginning, he praised compassion, great compassion. In most of the texts, they praise Buddha, or sometimes they praise Manjushri, sometimes Avalokiteshvara, like this. But Chandkirti, he praised compassion, and then he gave the reason why he praised compassion. So my definition is taken from there, and also from the Paramita, which we used to study about 7 years. Okay, and so is it okay if I define? Okay, I don't want to torture you. My teacher used to torture us, you see. Really, if I ask my philosophy teacher, just say, with a lot of respect, like this, if I like this, is no respect. If I hold like this, and then if I do like that, pay respect. If I say, okay, Gyana, what is the definition of compassion? And he will get very angry. Really, he will get really cross, you see. He say, you have to go to the debate courtyard and find your answer. Am I here to put a definition of compassion on the tray and serve you like this? Yes, he will say like this, yes. Impossible to get the answer. Impossible. He will only ask questions, okay? He will only ask questions. What is compassion? We try to define and say, if this is the definition of compassion, then there is a loophole. What is this? And then he will do like this, and then he leave us in a very confused mind. And we have to go to the debate courtyard, and then we have to debate. We have to debate, and we have to read books, and we have to debate and read book and debate. And then finally, okay, now this must be the answer. And then we have to go to our teacher, say that, okay, now I found the answer. And they will say, what is the answer? And then this. If this is really the answer, and then you may keep quiet a little bit. Keep quiet. Like this. If this is not the answer, then he will get banged, you see. Then we have to go to the debate courtyard, you see. It is not easy. It's very difficult. So now, it was not easy. So really difficult, yes. And then our teachers never praise us, you see. Even we get a very good answer. One of my teachers, if I say, okay, if I just try to put everything nicely, okay, answer I will get is, that's all. Yes. Face is like this. Like this. Listen very carefully, okay. And then, if this is correct, oh, you did very good. You are so intelligent. You are brilliant. You are wonderful. We never expect like this, you see. Never. Just, it's very important. Very important. This carries such a huge meaning. Okay? Is almost equivalent to yes. They don't say yes, you see. Just say, you see. This is in between yes and a little bit yes. These teachers are very, very heavy. Actually, the meaning, Guru is teacher. In this Guru is a Sanskrit word. Guru. Okay, Guru. What Guru means? It is not exact term of teacher, no. Guru means heavy. Guru means heavy. Heavy what? Heavy with experience. Heavy with the knowledge. Heavy with the wisdom. Very heavy, okay. Heavy, very heavy with the knowledge, and very heavy with the experience, and very heavy with the practices. Why? Why heavy? Because no one can shake. No one can defeat. Really, if they give answer, and we have to keep quiet. We cannot ask any second question. Their answers are so well established. And because of this, they are very heavy with knowledge, wisdom, experiences. And because of this, the name to this spiritual teacher is called Guru. Guru means heavy. So I think that, in one way, we were very lucky that they trained us. They trained us and they really almost tortured us. But now we experience that torture was very meaningful. And so I tortured a little bit. Now I'm defining the meaning of compassion, which is very easy, very, very easy. No problem, okay? No problem. But this definition you can recite in front of any teacher, okay? You don't have to hesitate. Maybe this is wrong, maybe this is not right. You don't have to feel like this. You just have to feel very confident that this is the definition of compassion. Yeah? Okay, now definition of compassion is like this. Strong, very strong, okay, very strong and pure and honest and practical wish to remove the suffering and sources of sufferings of other sentient beings. I repeat again, okay? Very strong wish. Very strong and practical and sincere wish to remove the suffering and sources of suffering of other sentient beings. And this is the definition of compassion.
Thanks for listening to Sacred Stream Radio. Please join us September 1st and 2nd, 2012, when Geshe Pema Dorjee returns to the Sacred Stream Center in Berkeley to teach a workshop on death, dying, and living, this life in perspective. For more information, visit us at sacredstream.org.